like in a beehive, a queen bee म्हणून आसता. So Tesla all get attracted to that. So where is the queen bee? So we don't know. So it will all have to unravel when a one-man independent commission under the Commission of Inquiries Act. Kita under Commission of Inquiries Act, he has power to summon. He has virtually police powers there, and it is independent by a retired High Court judge. And I maintain it. Because I said one thing. Police investigation करतना. तुही सांगला जाल्यार एक कंप्लेनंट गेले जाल्यार सांगपा हांवें पयशे दिले. ते फकत ते इन्वेस्टिगेट करतले. त्यांनी पयशे दिले, एक पयशे पावले. Yes, this is the transaction. This is a WhatsApp message or कितें email धाडला, and that is why it is proved. Our question is, look at the bigger picture. आनी कोण आहात ते? Let them come forward before the commission. Let them inform the commission that we also paid. This is the thing, and this is not only our direct evidence, but also our other, circumstantial evidence. Kitne circumstantial? There may be WhatsApp messages, there may be voice messages, anything, or it can be emails. So, or cheat borole and dile. So anything like this can also be evidence which can be brought in. If it's not direct of cash transfer, kita to jana. Yesterday transfer kotat त्यांना receipt दिना, आणि normally banking transaction कोणना. पण बॉन्ड जाल्यार पयशे येतलो बँक अकाउंट घेतलो आनी सांपटलो. But this is how it goes.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.